Hey YouTube, what's going on? Here is the revision for cyclic quadrilaterals. Math Science with Daniel Dallas. You're welcome. Let's get started. Here's the problem. You have the circle, you have quadrilateral inside, and you have the sides BC and CD extended, and AD is also extended as well as BA, so that you see their range intersection in one common point F, and for those sides, they range intersection in the common point E. You're also given the angles 30 and 20 degrees, and you need to find all interior angles of that quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Grab your pens, grab your notes, and let's get started. Okay, so in which way we can consider? Because as you understand, we can see here two triangles, ABF and EAD, with the given angles. It's a good idea if we mark one angle, let's say here, as X inside. So this angle, using the property for the sum of all angles within triangle, is actually can be figured out through 180 minus the sum of all rest angles, which is X plus 30 degrees. So hence we can figure out that angle. If we go inside, and I mark this angle as red one or pink, so this angle is going to be simply 180 minus angle B from that side that we recently done. So angle B, interior angle B, I mark as B, interior angle, it's here, is simply 180 because it's adjacent to angle B, to their simply external angle or exterior angle. So that's why it's 180 minus angle B as exterior. So if I write that, I will have that. And from here, I can figure out interior angle B as simply 180 and 180 will be cancelled, and I will be left with X plus 30. So we've got that interior angle B is X plus 30. We can mark it as it is. All right. So using the property of the exterior angle, and the angle will go inside quadrilateral and opposed, i.e. to the angle C, is going to be equal to X as well. So I mark as the angle X. In the same way, we can do with angles within triangle EDA. Okay, so this is 20. This angle is also better to use yellow one. So this angle is also X, because two angles, if you consider those two lines, they are vertically opposite. So that's why they're equal. Okay, so this angle D as the exterior angle D, so this is D exterior angle, is simply 180 minus the sum of 20 and X, because we consider again the sum of the triangles of the angle within triangle, which is 180. And that's why interior angle D, which is here, we can rewrite, so this is D interior is simply 180 minus exterior angle D. So that's why if we simplify that, 180 and that 180 will be cancelled, and we'll be left with 20 plus X. So we can mark as 20 plus X. Okay, so what we know that this angle 20 plus X and the angle X plus 30 within the cyclic quadrilateral, they should be equal to, together, they should be equal to 180. That's the property of the cyclic quadrilateral. So that's why if I write that using cyclic quadrilateral A, B, C, and D, we'll have the following relationship. So 20 plus X, this is 1 interior angle plus opposite X plus 30. will form 180 degrees because they are opposite to each other. And this is the equation that allows us to find all interior angles, because from here we can figure out angle x. So 2x plus angle 50 will form 180, from where we can find angle x is 130 over 2 is 65 degrees. Okay, so we found angle x, and hence we can figure out all the rest angles that we need to do. So I just simply say that, okay, I'll write all the equation for each interior angles. And first of all, let's set up angle D. So angle D interior, it's right there. It's 20 plus x. So that's why it's 20 plus 65, which is 85. That's the first angle. Angle B, that's also interior. X plus 30, so that's why it's 30 plus angle x, which is 65. So from where we can get it's 95 degrees. So angle C, interior, it's angle x, which is 65. And the last angle, which is here, is simply 180 minus x. So angle A interior is 180 minus angle x, because it's opposed to the angle x and it's cyclic, so we again use this property, and we'll get for angle A, we'll get 115 degrees. Okay, so all angles were found, and that was the nice solution for that. So this is the problem was from Higher Maths, GCSE or iGCSE Extended. It's not really complicated if you have a look at standard shapes like triangles and go to questions straight away what you ask actually. So go to the interior angle and try to express them through the angles from the triangles. That was the shortcut. Try to use that understanding. Maybe you apply somewhere else. That was Daniel Dallas. Thank you guys.